Hello everyone, this is going to be the demonstration of this 36-inch Hampton Bay, maybe it's a 30-inch, I don't know. This Hampton Bay Minuett 2 in white in my friend Anthony's house laundry room. This is a very cool install. I really like it. It's the light. You don't want to turn that off. Can't see it. So yeah. Alright, let's turn it on low. I think it has a bad capacitor. It's not too good. That's low. Is it stopping? Here's medium. This capacitor is just dead. Maybe this is high. Maybe the pull chain's messed up. It's going pretty fast now. Let's go to what would be high. This is medium. So either the pull chain or the capacitor is completely messed up in this fan. Probably the capacitor. This fan runs a lot. All the fans in the house run a lot. So yeah. Moving air. Hangers moving around. Cord. Tag. Let's go ahead and shut it off. I'll show full spin down because this one wasn't too long. Because you got no low speed and the top two speeds are the exact same. So it's a single speed fan. That's fun. I gotta do a walkthrough of all the fans in this house. It's really cool. There's one portable fan, I think 13 ceiling fans. I should put one of these in my bedroom. I don't have one, but that would be funny. Bearings seem to be in decent shape. I wonder if it's actually on a fan box or not. I would assume it's not, because it's probably not supposed to be in here. This is newer than most of the fans in the house. All of the other ones are really old. There's 2 newer ones. 3 newer ones. But that's going to end the demonstration, I guess. Single speed demonstration of this Hampton Bay Minuett ceiling fan in white. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. See you again soon. Goodbye.